In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a formula in Smartsheet. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, knowing how to modify formulas is an essential skill that can save you time and enhance your productivity. So, let's dive right in and explore this simple yet powerful feature. First, you need to access the formula you wish to edit. To do this, go ahead and double-click on the cell containing that formula. If you're using a PC, you can alternatively select the cell and press the F2 key. Mac users should take note that the combination is slightly different. You'll need to press Fn and F2 simultaneously to achieve the same result. This action will open up the formula within the cell, allowing you to make the necessary modifications. Once you have the formula open, you can make your changes directly within the cell. Perhaps you're tweaking a value, adjusting a function, or revising a cell reference. Whatever the case may be, you have the full flexibility to edit right there. While doing this, keep in mind that Smartsheet utilizes a formula syntax similar to what you'd find in other spreadsheet applications. So most functions and commands are quite familiar if you've worked with spreadsheets before. As you make these edits, double-check your syntax to ensure accuracy. It's important to remember that a small mistake, such as a misplaced parenthesis or an incorrect cell reference, can lead to errors in your calculations. Smartsheet will alert you if there are any errors, but it's always a good practice to review your changes carefully as you type them in. Once you're satisfied with the modifications and everything appears correct, it's time to save your updated formula. This is as simple as pressing the Enter key. Doing so will ensure that your changes are applied, updating the formula within the Smartsheet, and reflecting any calculations or data affected by your adjustments. One handy tip: if you've made a mistake or simply want to revert back to the previous version of your formula after pressing Enter, Smartsheet does allow for undoing changes. Use the Undo function to quickly go back to the prior state of your sheet. This can be a lifesaver in the middle of a busy workflow. Now you've successfully learned how to edit formulas in Smartsheet. Experiment with different edits and explore how you can optimize your sheets further. Being able to swiftly modify formulas opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to tailor Smartsheet more closely to your needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials. Happy Smartsheet editing!